Hello my lovely viewers, today I am here with a new recipe and it is fried pompano in yogurt. So once again, welcome to my channel. Here is my pompano fish. I took 4 pieces, approximately 500 gram. First I am going to fry it with salt, black pepper and some paprika powder. Salt, black pepper, adding 3 tablespoons oil. It's already hot, so I'm adding the fishes. In the meantime, I am going to prepare the gravy. So for the gravy, I am going to use yogurt, half a cup of plain yogurt. Next, the mustard. Any mustard paste you can use. Dijon mustard you can use or this yellow mustard. This time I am going to use yellow mustard. Next, I am going to use the ginger garlic paste. 1/4 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon sugar, and also I'm going to use this onion powder, approximately half teaspoon. Okay, let's start prepare the gravy. In a mixing bowl, I will mix all the ingredients here. In the middle, I'm going to add this gravy. Let's start mixing. I already added paprika powder before, but now I am going to add half teaspoon more paprika powder. Onion powder. Don't forget to check the description box because I always put my all recipe link in the description box, and the exact measurement is also written there. It will be easy for you to note down from there. Okay, my gravy is ready, but I'm going to add a little water in it. First, half a cup of water. Later, I will add a little more water. It will depend the thickness of the gravy. So the gravy is ready. Now I'm going to add with the fried fish. I'm going to add half a cup of water more, and then I will cover it. In this skillet, I use the lowest temperature, 300 degree Fahrenheit. So it will cook slowly. We'll meet you after 10 minutes. In the middle, after 5 minutes, I just want to check the salt, sugar, everything is okay or not. It's perfect, but to me, I need a little bit sugar more. So I am going to add a little bit sugar. So in total, I use 1 teaspoon sugar and some green chili for the spicy flavor. Okay, just 4 to 5 minutes more, and that's it. It will be done. Okay, my friend, after 10 minutes, it's done. First, I'm going to switch off the skillet. And next, uncover the lid. Wow, I can smell. It's amazing. My favorite pompano fish curry with yogurt is ready to serve. So please subscribe, and thanks for watching.